Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and today we are going to showcase our #1 best-selling two-piece diffuser set for your Corvette C7. Now VZ3 is the VZ3 style rear diffuser offered exclusively by Vicrez. These diffuser panels were made to fit C7 vehicles manufactured from 2014 to the 2019 production years. And there are no exclusions when looking to fit these diffusers onto any of the C7 trims. From a Grand Sport to a Stingray and a Z06. You'll even find success when looking to have these installed onto the backside of your ZR1. So, one might be left to wonder, why would a luxury performance sports car that was designed to be aerodynamic need a rear diffuser? Well, the primary purpose of a rear diffuser is to efficiently increase the downforce of a vehicle. This means gained grip and a reduced drag coefficient, which when taking into consideration the C7 Stingray's 450 horsepower, or even the stock 650 horsepower that is hidden under the hood of your Z06, surely this seems like a pretty good idea. As a vehicle is driven down the road, air passes underneath the vehicle at a very low pressure and high speed. As the air travels from underneath the vehicle towards the rear, it will then pass through the diffuser, forcing the air to expand through the diffuser's expansion chamber. This expansion causes dramatically reduced airspeed, which literally forces the overall air pressure to increase, a process that is known as the Venturi effect. The difference between the low pressure air under the car and the high pressured air around the rear of the vehicle creates a vacuum, and it sucks air literally from underneath the car. The high pressure air above the car and low pressure air underneath the vehicle creates the additional downforce that you would need when traveling at high speeds, cornering tight turns, or navigating roads that require unrelentless traction from your tires. Truly, this impressive diffuser adds a bold and unmistakably aggressive edge to your C7, without losing the iconic style that is trademark of Chevy's performance vehicles. Each diffuser is handmade right here in the USA, with both skill and the utmost care. Complemented by our precision injection molding techniques, this diffuser is made from high-grade polyurethane for a finished product that is strong, durable, and still retains a high level of superior flexibility. With an OEM fit, it's no surprise that installation is simple as well. All hardware is included with purchase, from rivets, screws, inserts, the like. We'll even send you a template to help you with the layout too, with no need to compromise for style or quality. However, please be advised that Vicrez recommends professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting any DIY or self-installations. And more importantly still, we ask that you please be sure to test fit all new aftermarket products prior to installation, especially before painting or having any modifications done of any kind. But that looks like it's gonna wrap it up for us here today. So as always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button below and head over to our channel to subscribe. If you're looking to get the latest deals, discounts, and 411 on new product releases first, head on over to vicrez.com and be sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter.